Welcome back to Product Critique, where we cut through the hype and get straight to what matters. Today, we've got something exciting for your entertainment setup, the best projector for home theater under $300, the YABER K2s. If you're looking for big screen movie nights, immersive gaming, or just a smarter streaming experience, this might be the one for you. Let's start with the audio, because that's where this projector makes a bold entrance. The K2s comes with dual 10-watt JBL stereo speakers and Dolby audio support built in. That means powerful, room-filling sound without needing external speakers. Whether you're watching a blockbuster or playing high-octane games, you're getting cinema-like clarity and punch. And it's not just a projector. It doubles as a standalone Bluetooth JBL speaker. Just turn off the screen and stream your favorite music wirelessly. It's a two-in-one device that takes sound seriously. Now let's talk visuals. The K2s features a native 1080p resolution, but it supports 4K playback, delivering crisp images with excellent contrast and vivid color. This isn't just about sharpness, it's about the experience. Whether you're indoors during the day or out in the backyard at night, the enhanced brightness makes sure your content looks its best. Just remember, when adjusting the image mode, make sure you're playing a video, not navigating the main menu, so you get an accurate preview of your tweaks. The YABER K2s runs on Google TV and gives you access to over 7,000 apps. That means 400,000 plus movies and TV shows are at your fingertips, from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, and more. No need for a streaming stick or extra boxes. The included dongle is detachable and connects to micro HDMI ports, making it compatible with laptops, tablets, and other devices. So whether you want to binge watch a series or stream a quick YouTube video, you've got options. Ease of use is another win here. Autofocus and keystone correction help the projector adjust the image instantly, keeping it sharp and correctly aligned, even if the angle or surface isn't perfect. And here's where it gets really cool: NFC screencast. Just tap your compatible phone to the projector, and you're casting instantly. It's hands-free, effortless, and futuristic. The K2s also plays well with your smart home setup. It works with Alexa, so you can use voice commands to switch inputs, launch apps, and control volume. With pro-level JBL sound, crisp 4K support, built-in Google TV, NFC casting, auto adjustment, and Alexa voice control, it delivers a complete home theater experience in one sleek package. Whether you're upgrading movie nights or stepping up your game streaming setup, this projector is a steal. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth gear breakdowns. See you in the next one.